Andrew Litton and the Dallas Symphony Orchestra.
Tonight, foggy with a low in the low 60s. Then tomorrow, thunderstorms with a high.
Moving on, will
Send a text message or dropping a note off at the front door with one of the little killers. Are you hearing?
Salud y me ayudaron a llenar mi solicitud para inscribir a...
25 and down there, and
Music you should know.
Adele.
select styles of
This largest
cosmetic repairs, site drainage corrections, and even retention.
Listen to
Put me out the your lie. You look good.
The other thing is, something is so compelling that you're going and sitting in your car during lunch, and you started to touch on this before.
Better than 7 and 8.
So that's
And here comes Burkhardt's kick.
and get to the day whenever you want.
Podium stating, quote, there will be a surprise pandemic during this presidency. How did you...
So I understand, but I can tell you this.
God, 318. Well, we have a break in the action. Looks at it.
NPR News. I'm Michelle Martin. In a Manhattan courtroom Thursday.
Back then.
It's at 55 to nothing.
yeah, the way courtesy, can imagine, curving me, I put in that work, QC Kinetics, 2-1.